Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Cura software especially for the task 6. So first thing, when you open the software, you will probably see something like this, or if you don't, you can just go to here, click manage printer, go to add, and for the printer that we are using, we'll use task 6 and the single extruder setting. Okay, and then for other setting, just use the default and it will be fine. Let's test. Alright, you can see we are using that printer now. And then next what we'll do is open the file. So you will get an STL file out there, and then you can just import that. So before we do anything, because it's not at an ideal position, we need to rotate it just like this. Just click and drag and click the lay flat button. Alright, and then it's already done. Alright, so you just need to save this file to your SD card, and then you are good to go. Thank you.